What's up, guys? Microwave here. Today I'm just gonna show you a little tutorial about how to make 3D text in Cinema 4D. So what you're gonna want to do is you want to have Cinema 4D open. Let me close out of this real fast. Okay, so you're gonna close out of that. All right. You're gonna want to go to Mo Graph, Mo Text, and then you're gonna change the text to what you want. So I'm gonna change mine to let's see, microwave. No, I'm gonna do edits. All right, so there's my text. Okay, now you can move it around how you want, and then so now what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to pick a font. Okay, so let's see. I think I'm gonna use. Let's see. I'm gonna try out some different text. Let's see. I'm gonna use jungle. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. Alright, there's that. Now, you can move it around how you want. So, right now it just looks like that. So, it looks kind of crappy right now. So, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to extend this to about 100. Extend it to about 100. Alright, so now it looks like more thicker, I guess you could say. So now what you're gonna want to do is you want to click on the Mo text like that, Control copy, and then Control V. That'll make another text. So click on Mo text 1, shrink the depth to 80, and then turn it like that, and then just click on the text, grab the blue arrow, and move it so it's centered in the middle, just like that. And then once you've done that, now it's time to do the fillet caps. So on the second one, you're going to want to go to, or on the first one, go to caps. On the start cap, you're going to want to go to fillet. On the end cap, you're going to want to go to fillet cap. And then change it to 3, and then change it to 3. Just like that. So now it looks more, I guess you could say 3D, I guess. Now, let me just see something real fast. Yeah, alright. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to change the fillet cap on Motex 1. You want to change both of them to fillet cap and leave it at the size it's at. So now it looks a lot better, like that. So now once you've done that, you're going to want to get some colors. So I'm going to make 2 colors real fast. I'm going to have one be a greenish color. Okay. And then another one I'll make a black. Okay. So once you have those, just go ahead and drag the color that you want on the front. So I'm gonna put green on the front, and then I'm gonna put black on the thickness. So now it'll look like that. And then so that's basically how to do that. So if you want it to make it even look a lot better, put a light, move it backwards, and then go more back, and then just go straight up. And then it'll look a lot cleaner and a lot better. Actually, I'm not going to use black. Hold on. I'm put a different shade of green. I'll use that. Put that back there. See, so that looks a little bit better. So that's basically how you make your 3D text. Alright, so to render it so you can use it on Photoshop for a background or a GFX, you change the format to a QuickTime PNG. You enable alpha channeling. Okay, don't change any other settings. Now just go to the button over by File, save it till you want to save it. So I'm going to name it Tutorial Text. Okay, so just X out of that when you're done. Now I'm gonna move the text how I want it real fast. Zoom in on it a little bit. Let's see here. Alright. So yeah, it looks good. Alright, so that's how I want it. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna click the little orange box up here with the movie thing in the middle. Click that, it'll render it out to where you saved it. Okay, so now what you're going to want to do, exit out of that, minimize it, open the folder that you saved it to, then drag it into Photoshop. Hold on a sec. 1 second here. Alright, so new, I'm just going to make a quick little thing here. So I'm going to make it 1280 720. Alright, so now it's going to add a little color to it. Okay, so now that we've got that, just drag your text in, and you won't have to worry about cutting the outside of the white out. It'll already be done. So once you put this file in, it'll just look like that. You can add all sorts of like flares or whatever you want to put in it. You can mess around with the settings in Cinema 4D. So that's the basic tutorial how to make 3D text. If you have any questions or comments, just post them in the description, or not in the description, the comments section. If you have any other comments or questions, you can also contact me on Skype. My Skype name is ITZ Lucky, LUCKYYY, no spaces, and there's 3 Y's at the end. So if you need to contact me, that's probably your best bet. So thanks guys. See you guys later.